Hi, I'm Steve Packer, plant doctor at Moana Nursery. Today we're going to talk about summer blooming bulbs. With summer blooming bulbs, you plant in the spring and they bloom in the summer. And let me just tell you about a few of them that I think you need to have in your yard. The first one that I like to talk about, these are called cannas, and they come in different colors. They will get nice and tall and give you a lot of color and a little bit of height too in your containers. Also, we have another fun summer bulb. It doesn't really flower, but it has ornamental leaves, and it's called the elephant ear plant. And it likes to be in an area where it gets partial shade, but the bulb you just go ahead and plant in a container or in the ground and let it grow. And by mid to end of the summer, you got these beautiful leaves that'll kind of give you a little bit of height and variation in your container garden area. Also, ones that I like a lot are, these are called begonias, and they're excellent for hanging baskets, and because they just grow up and then they cascade down. Begonias like a shady area, so if you have an area that gets maybe a little bit of sun in the morning and shade the rest of the day, these would be the best guys to put in because they give you a lot of color. Get them started earlier so you can plant them now in the pots and let them grow, and then when they start leafing out and everything else, put them outside and just let them continue to grow and give you lots of beautiful flowers. So these are just a few for summer flowering bulbs that you can put in the ground now to give you color later on this summer.